Hello friends and family, welcome back. Today I've got some mouth-watering recipe for you guys. Delicious fish stew recipe. This is so delicious and I'm excited to show you how I make it. So let's dive right in. So I've listed all the ingredients in the description box, so please do check it out, okay? With me here is my washed and clean red snapper, okay? But you can use any fish you prefer. We'll begin by seasoning my fish with some salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. We'll give it a really good mix. Then set it aside to marinate while I prep the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to be using 4 medium-sized onions, okay? I'm going to chop them, then transfer it into my food processor to do the chopping for me, okay? So once the food processor has done its job, I'm going to also chop some fresh tomatoes and roughly blend it. I also got some blended spice, which is onion, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, and some basil. Usually I do that and put them in my freezer. So whenever I need it, I can use it. I also got some shrimp powder, chili powder, white pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and some salt. I also got some tomato paste. To my pot is vegetable oil, some scotch bonnet pepper, and onion for extra flavor. So once the oil is hot, we'll go in to sprinkle some flour into the oil, then carefully add in my seasoned fish and fry it on both sides until they are nice and golden brown. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. And if you are new here, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join this beautiful family. And thank you so much for subscribing. God bless you. Alright guys, so once our fish is well fried, we'll remove the fish from the oil, then set it aside. To my pot, we'll pour in some of the oil I used to fry the fish. Then we'll add in my finely chopped onions and allow it to fry until they're nice and translucent. Next, I'm going to go ahead to add in my blended spice, which is onion, ginger, garlic, pepper, and basil. I'm going to allow it to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in my tomato paste. We'll also fry it until it loses its sourness. That should take me about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, I'm going to go ahead to add in my roughly blended tomatoes. We'll bring everything together and cover it and allow it to cook down. And I'd like to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your support. God bless you. So after a few minutes, I came back to check on the stew so that it doesn't burn, and guys, it's looking perfect already. So to that, I'm going to go in with my season of choice, which is shrimp powder, salt, white pepper, chili powder, and all-purpose seasoning. We'll go ahead and mix everything together, then add in some freshly basil I have in my fridge, okay? You can use your fresh basil. This is totally optional, okay? And once our stew is well fried, I'm going to go in with my chopped onions, then add in my fried fish. Okay guys, I tell you, this stew is so simple to make and it smells so good. So I'm going to allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes, and also making sure I stir it delicately because I don't want my fish to tear up in the stew. So at this point, our stew is ready. I'm just going to add in more extra onions just to garnish it up, okay? And guys, this stew is so versatile. You can enjoy it with your rice, kenke, banku, yam, you name it. Whatever you prefer to enjoy it with. It goes really well with everything. And trust me, you're going to enjoy it when you try it. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. And until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.